guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing part 2 for my declutter series. If you guys saw my closet declutter that I did, I think about a month and a half ago, then you would know that I am continuing the series. I don't know how many parts I'm doing, but I want to do a few different parts to this series just because there's so many things that I want to declutter, even though I literally just moved into my apartment like 8-9 months ago. So things just clutter up around here very fast, just because I get sent a lot of PR and I do have a really huge shopping problem. So I like to do declutters just to clear my mind, make me feel a little bit better. So I'm here with another declutter video. This one is just going to be my jewelry. I'm going to try and declutter a ton of jewelry just because I wear the same jewelry items over and over again. I don't need this jewelry, like I don't. So I don't really have a plan for it. I don't know what I'm doing with it. The good thing about having an apartment is that I also have my room at my parents' house. So that's typically the spot where I put stuff that I'm not sure if I like want to let go of or not yet. So that's that. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. If you guys are excited for this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click that bell. And without further ado, let's get started. So it is currently 9:47 on a Thursday night. Let me turn this light on. Maybe that'll help. Maybe. I don't have classes tomorrow, so I thought, why the heck not? I've literally had classes all day. I edited a video for a brand deal. I'm finishing that up right now. I took a bio exam, and let's see, what else did I do? Caught up on YouTube, like watching YouTube, about to shower, filming a video, and decluttering. Like, it's been a very productive day, so I don't know where I'm gonna set you guys. Well, actually, first I'm going to, I need to turn more lights on. I am just struggling. Okay, so here's my situation. This is what I normally have on display, this little rack. I believe I got it from Amazon. It's just gold and white. And then I have this little tray that I always have here, but I don't like the way that it looks, so I might just get rid of that altogether. Then I have this 3-tiered jewelry like container situation that goes in that drawer right there. So I never ever use this jewelry, so I need to like probably get rid of all of it, honestly. And then this is what I keep in my bathroom. This is like my everyday jewelry, so I'm not going to be decluttering anything from here, but I just want to show you guys. This tray I got from a FabFitFun box a while ago, so that I'm not decluttering. And then I'm just wearing some like random jewelry right now, and my earrings. Yeah, so I don't really wear that much jewelry, but I'm trying to get into it. So I'm gonna do a time lapse and show you guys like a sped up. That is the word that I'm looking for. A sped up version of me decluttering everything. I'm gonna put some music on, get me motivated, because it is 10 o'clock and I still have to shower, and it's been a really long day. So I'm gonna speed through this, and then as I'm going along, I'm going to like stop and like talk to you guys some, probably figure everything out. So excited. I hope this motivates you guys, because it definitely motivates me. Like when I record myself decluttering, it like gives me something to look forward to. Like I look forward to the next declutter, and then also keeps me accountable. So let's get this thing started. All right, you guys, I think I'm done, and I don't know how long that took me. I have no idea, but I want to say like 10-15 minutes. It really didn't take me long at all. And I got rid of over half of my jewelry collection. So I'm going to show you what I'm like doing, like what I'm getting rid of, what I'm keeping, whatever. I can do a whole dedicated jewelry collection video if you guys want, because I've been really getting into jewelry. You guys will see in my next video, my next few videos actually. That I'm really getting into jewelry. So let me know if you want me to do like a jewelry collection, because yeah, why not? So I'm going to show you what I'm keeping first. So here is my little jewelry section. This rack is completely cleared off for like new jewelry. I don't necessarily have that much new jewelry, but when I get it in, I'll put it on here. So I'm gonna show you like how this is organized. So down here I have like a few earrings that like can't hang right there. Some from Kendra Scott, these from Adina's, they're like paper clip ones. some hoops down here, just some random little earrings that were like falling off of this rack. And then right here's all my hoops. So I have like chunky, I have like so many gold hoops, some thin silver ones, some really huge mamas. And then right here's my Kendra Scott necklaces, this new chain necklace that I just got. And then back here's just some like gold dainty necklaces, like chokers. And here's like a little necklace I got from Guatemala. I don't necessarily wear it, but it's meaningful, so I keep it. I kind of want to take this one off though. Okay, so I decided to get rid of this, so, or like I'm putting it away. I don't know what I'm doing with it exactly. I guess I'll put it right here. So, okay, that's what I'm keeping. And then I have a bunch of like my everyday jewelry on this little thing. I need to like organize a little bit better, but, and then I'm also wearing some like everyday jewelry, but not all of it, obviously. So I'm not even wearing a necklace right now, actually. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how, well, I'm gonna show you what else I'm keeping. Okay, so this is the other section of jewelry that I'm keeping, just this little bin right here. This is all that I'm keeping. That's all that I'm putting in this drawer. I know, it's crazy. I went from having all of this to literally just this and this. So I'm definitely getting rid of a ton of stuff. I'm really proud of myself. Probably, yeah, I'm getting rid of like half. But right here I just have some pearls that I don't ever wear, but like I live in the South. You gotta have pearls if you're, you know, in the South. So these are actually real. I was gifted these by one of my parents' really good friends. And so I have that and the matching pearl earrings right here, and they're actually real pearl. And then I have a bunch of like beaded necklaces that aren't in style anymore. I don't really wear them anymore, but I just like to have them here, whatever. Then I have a bunch of random necklaces that I don't necessarily want to wear right now, but they might come back in style, or I may find a day or an occasion that I need to wear them. A bunch of different bracelets, some meaningful, some not so much. Some rings. I have like my class ring. Oh my God, this is my class ring, and it's so nostalgic. It's real gold. It's got a pearl in there. This is a pretty penny, not gonna lie. Probably my most expensive ring right now in my jewelry collection, for now. Yeah, so just some random little rings. I've got this like princess ring that my parents gave me for Valentine's Day, like when I was like 14 or 15. I have just some other little meaningful rings, stuff like that, just random little stuff, some earrings. These bracelets were really big back in the day. So anyways, that's all that I'm keeping. And then I have some like random stuff, and like I have like Pandora boxes, but I have this necklace, you guys, and I don't know who gave it to me, but it says I love you more. So if you gave this to me and you're watching my video, please let me know, because I have no idea who gave me a necklace that says I love you more. But I want to say it was from like middle school, maybe early high school days, like 9th or 10th grade maybe. I want to say, I have honestly, like no idea. And then here I have a bunch of earring backs and like random like earring studs that I'm keeping. This is what my pearls came in. This, I have a ton of like earrings that I haven't worn yet. And then a bunch of like dust bags for like my jewelry and stuff. And then this is my Michael Kors watch that I need to get fixed. I've had forever and I haven't gotten it fixed yet. Well, it's a long story, but it broke. I sent it and got it fixed, and then it broke again. So thanks, Michael Kors. So I don't know what I'm doing about this. This is what I'm getting rid of. These are what I'm actually selling on Poshmark. I want to sell it for a really good price, because these necklaces probably add up to $75, and I'm gonna sell it for really cheap. And then this I'm just throwing away because these aren't any good anymore, honestly. And then here's what I'm taking to my parents' house, just because this is just very meaningful. All this stuff is like, these earrings I wore for prom, these bracelets I wore for prom, this cross one I had since 6th grade. These are Lily Pulitzer, along with this bangle and then this bracelet, and I used to love Lily, so I'm just keeping all that. These are like initial necklaces. Like I got a T, a Victoria, a monogram one, some other like T necklaces down in here, and then just some random like chokers. This is just all really meaningful, so I'm just gonna keep this at my parents' house, because why not? I don't want to sell it and I don't want to get rid of it, but I don't want to keep it, so keeping it at there. And then these I'm just selling, like I said. So that being said, that is it for this video. That was a really quick, sweet, short to the point, and I got a lot decluttered, so I'm really proud of myself. Let me know if you guys want me to continue the series. Hopefully you say yes, because I could do like skincare, I could do like a apartment like declutter, like where I declutter like all the drawers like under my sink, and then like in my bathroom and my vanity, not my vanity because that'd be a makeup declutter, I could do that though, and like in my Alex drawers and just like whatnot. Just let me know, because I will definitely be down to do that for you guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Click the notification bell so you get notified. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, and I'd love to have you here on my channel. Follow me on all my social medias so you can keep up with me. Sorry for my appearance, I look really gross right now. But leave a comment down below saying if I did a good job or not. Like some of this jewelry I've had since 4th, 5th, 6th grade. So it was much needed. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. It means the world to me. And I love you guys, and I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.